Yer and the Tiger, a Hmong folk tale. A long time ago, there was a man. He killed a monkey, but the tiger saw the man. The tiger killed the man and ate the man. The tiger went to the man's house, and he said to the man's wife, "I am your husband." The wife didn't know it was a tiger, but her little sister Yer said, "This isn't a man, he is a tiger." And she hid upstairs. That night, the tiger ate the wife, and he ate all the children. Yer heard the crunch. Crunch. She was scared. The tiger said, "You come down, or I'll come up." Yer threw pepper in the tiger's eyes. "Ow!" the tiger screamed. He ran to the river and he washed his eyes. Yer saw a bird. She said to the bird, "Go to my family and tell them a tiger ate my brother-in-law. He ate my sister. He ate their children. Tell my family to come now." So the bird went. Your family came. "Where is the tiger?" they asked. "He's down at the river," answered Yer. "I'll call him." "Tiger, tiger," Yer called. "My family is here. They want to talk to you. I will be your wife." "Good," the tiger answered. Then the two brothers walked with the tiger. The tiger walked in the middle. Only the tiger walked on the path. The tiger fell in the hole, and then the two brothers killed him. Then they took Yer home with them. The end.